Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network basics. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and airplane mode is off. Once done, force quit the App Store and restart your device to clear transient network states. You also set date and time to automatic and confirm you're signed into the right account because mismatched credentials or clock skew often block store access. These steps immediately eliminate common, quick failures so you can move into deeper troubleshooting with clear diagnostics and no wasted repeats. Next, you run deeper network checks to isolate the issue. Start by resetting network settings or switching DHCP versus static addressing, then try alternate DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass resolver problems. Once done, reboot the router and verify firmware and look for parental controls or port blocks that could impede App Store traffic. Also disable VPNs, proxies, or firewalls temporarily. These often intercept or drop secure connections. After each, finally, you perform account and system remedies. Sign out of the App Store and sign back in, then install any pending OS updates, because system fixes often restore connectivity. If that fails, clear cache or reinstall problematic store components, and consider a system restore only after backing up data. Make sure to test the App Store on a different network or device to determine whether the problem is local. If you still see errors, record the specific messages and codes so support can resolve it faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.